Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you a little trick that I learned from a retired Special Forces guy. I was talking to this guy probably 10 years ago, and he showed me this little trick that they used to use for lighting fires. Now, some people are going to be disgusted with this. They're going to go, ew. However, really they only are just cotton wool. Now, basically tampons, or as I like to call them, SAS firelighters. Now basically all they are is basically cotton wool, and the good thing about them is that they are obviously waterproof, very light. Now to open them, all you do is normally just hold one end and turn them, and then they're like that. Obviously the more compact they are, the slower they burn. However, what you can do is just basically cut them open and open them up, just like so. And then all you do is put a couple in the bottom of your fire, along with any sort of small kindling. I've got a lighter, but I would imagine a flint will work just as well. And basically all you do is just basically light them up like so. They burn for probably, you know, good 20-30 seconds. There's a fair bit of heat comes off them. Obviously the more compact they are, the slower they burn. Now they do burn for about 30 odd seconds. Now I normally always just go and buy the cheaper ones, Coles, Woolies, just the cheapest that you can possibly get, and they are excellent. Like I say, very light, waterproof. Well, they're waterproof until you open them, and they're just so reliable. I've been using them for about the last 10 years. There is a bit of plastic with them, but not much, and all you do then is just basically chuck that on the fire. And there you go. Quick tip for lighting fires using tampons. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video useful. If you have, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.